Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to take your EVS subject. Do you remember what we have done in EVS lesson 3 part 1? We have done few new words, right? And in part 2 we have done some new words. Also we had studied about our parts of the body. Do you remember or not? So today we will see EVS lesson number 3, our body part 3. But we will quickly recap about part 2. Okay? Let's recall. Our eyes helps us to see. Our eyes help us to see. Will you like to repeat after me? Yes, we will do. Come on. Our eyes help us to see. Our nose help us to smell. Come on, smell. Breathe in. Very good. Our nose helps us to smell. Our ears help us to hear. Our ears help us to hear. Our tongue help us to taste. Our tongue help us to taste. Our skin help us to feel. Our skin help us to feel. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin are our sense organs. What are this called? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are our sense organs. Only these 5 parts of the body are our sense organs. Okay, children, remember this very well. What are sense organs? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin are our sense organs. Okay. Let's see what is next. There is a star for you there because you are giving a good answer. Now, let's discuss few things. Okay. I know that you know this very well. You can answer me very quickly. So, let's discuss about it. We should keep our body clean. Yes or no? We should keep our body clean. Yes. Why? Why should we keep our body clean? Who will answer me? Because if we keep our body clean, we will be healthy and fresh, right? Yes or no? If we don't keep our body clean, we will be very dull and our health may also get impact. Yes, then you will not feel well. If you be dirty, you will not feel well. Okay, tell me what will happen if you don't brush your teeth? Then your teeth will start paining, right? There will be lots of germs inside your teeth if you don't brush it, right or not? Yes. If you don't wash your clothes for many days and you wear the same clothes, what will happen? It will have a bad smell. Yes or no? Yes, right? So it is very important that we keep our body clean. If we keep our body clean, we will be very healthy. Yes, no germs will come around us. Okay? Now, list any 5 things you see to keep your body clean. What 5 things do you have around you at your home? Through which you can keep your body clean. What are those things? Can you tell me? See, I wash my face with soap. So soap is helping me to clean my body and water is also helping me. Yes. I cut my nails with a nail cutter. I use nail cutter. So nail cutter is also keeping my nails clean. So even nail cutter is helping me to keep my body clean. Yes. Then I use oil on my hair, which keeps my hair clean. Yes, children. I also use shampoo on my hair, which clean my head and hair. Yes. I also use earbud when I clean my ear. So see, there are so many things I use to keep my body clean. Yes or not? Do you use all these things? Okay. Then you are going to repeat after me. Things used to keep our body clean are: we should clean our nose with handkerchief or a tissue, anything. You should always carry a handkerchief in your pocket and one extra handkerchief and napkin in your bag wherever you go. Okay, when you sneeze or when there is a dirt inside your nose, how will you clean? You will clean with your handkerchief. So handkerchief keeps our body clean. Second, we should brush our teeth twice a day. How many times do you brush? Do you all brush twice, 2 times in a day? Yes? If yes, then very good. If you are not brushing 2 times in a day, you have to start doing it from today. Okay? But when will you brush? You will brush 1 time in the morning when you wake up. When you wake up in the morning after the sleep, first thing you will do is brush your teeth. And when you go to sleep at night, you will brush your teeth again. Okay? So morning and night, 2 times you are going to brush your teeth. I am going to ask your mummy and daddy, okay? That whether you brush 2 times or 1 times in a day. Okay, children? So you start brushing teeth 2 times in a day. Morning and night before you sleep. Am I clear? Very good. Trim your nails weekly. Every Sunday you should tell your mummy and daddy, anyone who is elder at your home, you should tell them to trim your nails. Okay? This will keep your nails clean. There will be no dirt inside your nails. Because we eat food with our hand, right? If nails are dirty, if there is a dirty nails and there are germs and dirt inside your nails, that will go inside your stomach also. Yes? So what are we going to do? We are going to trim our nails every week. Okay? Very good. You are I can see you are already doing it. Very good, those who are doing it. Clean your ears with a cotton bud. But very important, you will not do it yourself. Mummy or papa will do it for you. We always clean our ear with a cotton bud, right? But you are not going to do by yourself. You are still a small. Okay? It can harm your ears. So, tell mama or daddy, anyone elder in your family, to clean your ears with a cotton bud. Next, take bath every day. You have to take a bath every day. Comb your hair every day. You are going to comb your hair every day. Am I clear? Now, we are going to quickly recap by doing the match of the following, what I am going to tell. You have to think and match the rows correctly. It is very easy and I am sure you are going to enjoy. Okay? Let's start. First word is nose, eyes, fingers, tongue and ears. Okay? Nose, eyes, fingers, tongue and ears. Then in the other row in the other column I can see soft fur, tasty food, a sweet smelling rose, a frog's croak and a blue sky. Now what I am going to do is I am going to match. Now first one is nose. What is this? This is nose, right? So with the help of nose, what can I do? Can I feel the soft fur? No, nose is not required. Can I eat tasty food with the help of nose? No. A sweet smelling rose. This is a sweet smelling rose. So, nose is helpful to smell the rose, right? So, I am going to match. Yes? Now, next is eyes. So, eyes is going to help me for feeling the soft fur, tasty food, a frog's croak, or a blue sky. Eyes is going to help me to see blue sky. So, eyes, I am going to match it, blue sky. Now, fingers. These fingers are used for what are those fingers used? To touch a soft fur, right? So I am going to match these fingers in a soft fur. Next, tongue. Why will I use tongue? To eat tasty food. Correct? Ears. When a frog is doing croak croak, croak croak, how will I understand that there is a frog there? I will understand by hearing the noise of the frog. So, ears and frog's croak. Am I easy? Was it easy? Yes? Okay, now see what is next. I am sure you are going to enjoy the other one also. Look at the pictures. Oh wow, this is very interesting. I am sure you will enjoy. Look at the pictures in each row. Draw a picture in the box that shows each sense you would use. Dustbin. I can see dustbin. I can smell dustbin. Right? Next, rose. What will you do? I'll smell the rose. Pav Bhaji. Oh my God. When you go outside and when you are back home, there is a good smell. How will you understand that Mama is making Pav Bhaji? How will you come to know? With the help of your nose, right? You are going to tell, there is something delicious cooking today. How will you understand without seeing? You will understand with the help of your nose. So there is a dustbin in that corner. I will understand with the help of the smell. Yes? There is a good sweet smelling rose. How will I understand? With the help of smell. There is a pav bhaji at my home. How will I understand? With the help of smell. So what am I going to draw here? I am going to draw a nose. Can you draw? Yes? Can you draw nose? Yes, it's easy, right? Very good. Now let's see what is next. Which sense organ is used here? Sun, star, and moon. Which sense organ is used here? I cannot touch sun, I cannot hear sun, I cannot feel sun. Yes, but I can see sun. I can see there is a sun in the sky. I can see there is a star in the sky. I can also see there is a moon in the sky. So which sense organ I am using here? Eyes, right? So I will try to draw eyes here. What is this? Eyes. Okay? Now let's see what is next. Which sense organ is used here? Come on, tell me. Drum. If there is a noise, which sense organ is used? Dog barking, bow bow, pow pow. And telephone, tring 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 tring. Which sense organ is used here? Dum 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 dum, bow bow, and tring tring tring. Which sense organ? Come on. Very good. Ears are used, right? So I will draw ears. Yes? Is it looking like ear? Yes? Good. You also try to draw it, okay? Next. Which sense organ is used here? Teddy bear. Oh wow, so cute. Rabbit. Wow. And balls. See, the skin of the teddy bear is soft. Yes. Because there is a fur on the teddy bear which is very soft. The skin of the rabbit is also very soft. It is furry. And the ball. When we touch the ball was also very soft here. Okay. So which sense organ are we going to use here? Skin, right? But how will I draw skin? I will try to draw a hand. This is hand? No. I will try to draw a little better. Okay, you can draw hand here. With the help of hand, you can able to feel, right? Next. Which sense organ is used here? Cake. Oh wow, cake. Who loves to eat cake? Who like to eat cake? Everybody. Very good. Apple. Who eats apple? You should eat apple every day. It is very healthy, okay? Biryani. There is a biryani. There is a rice over there. Oh wow. Which sense organ can be used here? Cake. I'm eating cake. It's sweet. Now I'm eating apple. It's juicy. Now I'm eating rice, vegetable rice, biryani. It's spicy. How will I understand? With the help of my tongue. I will understand with the help of my tongue. So what am I going to draw here? I will draw tongue. Okay? Easy to draw? Yes, you should learn, okay? Did you enjoy, children? So now we'll go to next slide. What is next? Write the correct word from the options given below. Okay. Just now we have done about nose, tongue, ear, right? It is the same thing. Okay, but I am going to ask you in filling the blanks. We are not going to draw now. We are going to write. There is already options given here. See, can you see the options here? Yes. Already it is given. You have to just see and write. Okay. The first question is, we dash with our nose. Okay. So what can we do with our nose? Who will tell me? What can we do with our nose? Listen, see, touch, taste or smell. What can we do with our nose? Smell. Very good. So I am going to rewrite this smell here. This is the spelling of smell. So SMELL. I'll write again. SMELL. Smell. Okay, we smell with our nose. Next, we dash with our eyes. What can we do with our eyes? Smell is already done. We can listen, see, touch or taste. What can we do with our eyes? We can see with our eyes. Right? We can see with our eyes. Next, we dash with our tongue. What can we do with our tongue? Smell is over, see is over. What is left? Listen, touch and taste. What can we do with our tongue? We can taste with our tongue. Taste. Yes? I'll write again. This is taste, okay? Taste. Taste. There is no place here, so teacher is writing it like this. But you have to write very neatly. Okay, you have to touch the line and write. Next, we dash with our ear. Oh, what is left now? Smell is done. Taste is done. See is done. So what is left? Listen and touch. So we dash with our ear. We listen. Listen. We listen with our ear. Right? Now last. What is the last one? We dash with our skin. What we do with our skin? We touch with our touch. We touch with our skin or we touch with our hand. You can tell anything. Both are correct. Okay? Now see what is next. Now today's activity is you have to draw 5 sense organs. What are we going to do? You are going to draw 5 sense organs. So what are 5 sense organs? Eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. Okay, you are going to draw this 5 sense organs in a homework. Okay. Okay, so now I am going to end my session here. I hope the concept of parts of the body is clear. How our sense organs are used, how different parts of our body are used. Yes, I hope I am very clear. Did you enjoy? Yes, thank you.